by Reliance Softec Limited.
ये हीर रांझा जन्म जन्म का साथ टाइप के लोग ये सिर्फ कहानियों में होते हैं, तो जिसमें एक चांद टाइप ये क्या है? ये सिस्टमैटिक बातें हैं जो हमेशा हमेशा से लोगों को कंफ्यूज करती हैं। मैं वादा करता हूं, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, यही मेरी पट्टी बनेगी।
How did you feel with the turban on your head? And it's something I mean, I don't think I've seen you do something like that.
It's really, it's a bit girly to talk about hair, but I'm going to, which is that Bombay.
I must say that he blow dries his hair more than I do.
I'll say it. And you know why? Because it like frizzes out, okay? And it's really, and I hate it curly. And like, you know, some people
Yeah, but
like
you blow dry it so many times that I've never seen it curly and frizzy.
Exactly. If I left it alone, it would be. And it's okay in London, it's okay in the winter, it's okay in cold places. But in summer and in India particularly, I basically prefer a turban. Because you can just tie it up and leave it and forget about it. Up all your sweat. I sweat a lot as like an actor, like and I love the cold. And I mean, in my room also, I like the AC to be like cold. It's very difficult to make phone calls because I was like trying to make. I couldn't hear the mobile.
Since you're always on the phone.
So I'm like, yeah, okay, yeah. You're never on the phone.
Never.
No, but that's good. That's good. And look, there's a difference. Initially, you know, and
turban.
Okay, back to the turban. So. It was very difficult. It's not easy. It's not easy to talk in this thing, and but it also carries a lot of responsibility. And we
Which
made
I
sure
think you did
there
very
were a lot
well.
of Sardars in the movie apart from me. Thank you. But you know, little things like the obvious things of obviously the people who smoke. I mean, I don't smoke anymore, but we're told expressly not to smoke in that outfit, and generally to behave. And be very careful.
I must say that I don't think it suits every actor.
Yeah.
But and yours wasn't like a stylish take on it.
Right.
It was very authentic, and I think you've done justice. I think you carried it off really well.
Thank you, thank you. I think after it's good fun to sometimes play things that people don't expect you to.
Did you think it was a big responsibility since you're also playing the young Rishi Kapoor in our film? It obviously, you had to observe a lot of him, right?
He has a distinct style though.
But did you
Rishi
use
Kapoor.
his style?
I did a bit. Imtiaz tried to say, and there is a little bit, and a different version of it. I tried to keep it in my mind.
That also not what he is in real life, but what he's also playing in the film.
In the film,
yeah.
Because, I mean, Rishi Kapoor, Rishi ji, Chintu ji and I, we've done a movie together, we did Hum Tum together. I just heard about him before that, and, you know, people had said, ranging from being the most natural actor, I like you hear about most stars,
right.
A mix of things, and, you know, if he doesn't like you, it can be really difficult, I'd heard that as well. And we got along so well right from the start. I found him to be one of the most worldly people I'd met, he was extremely cultured about food and wine and
which is actually very similar to how you are, because I'm asked in a lot of my interviews about what was the experience like, and without meaning disrespect to any of the other actors that I've worked with, you're one of those who I've come across who's very well informed about other things in life apart from just being passionate about what you do and just your films and your acting.
Yeah,
you also talk about music and wine and cheese and love and relationships.
Yeah, I basically live by myself. In the sense that I run the house myself. And I hate the idea of a bachelor pad.
So you trained your Pappu to come with a silver tray?
Yes,
for you.
Yes, he would. And I trained him to be like how my mother trains her staff in our houses in Delhi and in Patoli and stuff. So it's run like that. And I'm proud of that because I would hate the idea of having a bar in the house and 4 idiots hanging around. At 1 in the morning I'd be like, where's my life? It's a mess, you know. So it's not. It's quite organized and it's nice that way. Music is a very important part. These days people don't have songs, but...
I also think that we've managed to bring out some fantastic music in the film because Pritam's done music for other films.
Yeah.
But I can clearly tell that the music he's done for our film is so different from what he's done for other films. And I think that has a lot to do with y'all and with Imtiaz.
What's your favorite song?
I think Chor Bazari would be my favorite.
Really?
Also because I think we had a lot of fun shooting for it, you know. We've done some really crazy stuff while shooting for that song. Like both of us sitting on top of a taxi driving around Old Delhi. I don't think we'd ever do in our lives. And then dancing in that dhaba with pretending to be drunk and falling off that table because someone forgot to catch me in time.
Yeah, that was really disastrous.
Yeah, thanks.
Sorry about that. Wow.
Yeah, so I just think the entire experience, and remember that last part in the cab where both of us have to come out and do their thing. All that I thought was a lot of fun.
Ibrahim really likes, my son really likes Chor Bazari.
चोर बाजारी दोनों की पहले की आदत जो हट गई प्यार की जो तेरी मेरी उम्र आई थी वो कट गई
Which I was surprised by because I thought it was
I heard that the wedding song is your favorite.
Oh God, I actually can't stand the wedding song. What is it called?
What's it called?
Beja.
Beja, Beja.
Oh, dude, please, I hate it. I can't handle it.
ये दूरियां इन राहों की दूरियां निगाहों की दूरियां हम राहों की दूरियां फना हो सभी दूरियां.
Okay, my favorite song in the album is Twist.
Twist.
Yeah.
Because he danced very
and
well.
Kadite. Yeah. You know, the audio is strong. Yeah. And we shot in Café de Paris in London, and it's a big set. Quite proud that I was asking Dino, why are you wasting so much money? We can do this in Mehboob. And he was just looking at me like, no.
No, which is, I don't think we've compromised at any point in the film because, for example, a lot of stuff...
Not compromised.
Exactly, because a lot of scenes that we've shot in London, we could have easily put up a set here, like all the interior stuff, but we still chose to shoot interiors of the London villas.
Which is insane. It's insane.
You'll know.
Why did you do that? Should be shooting with green screen, but we never learn.
It comes
because
across.
Imtiaz is the kind of filmmaker who says that let's go to Patiala for 2 shots because the feel of Patiala will be in you.
Because the air is different.
Yes. So, you know, he's
But Saif,
he's dangerous.
I think it's
he's
completely
right.
worth it because it comes across.
Yes.
You can see it.
See, the atmosphere of where you work does come through.
Important.
So these are the things, I suppose. And I suppose to wind this up, you know, do you want to tell people like why they should see this movie?
No, Saif, because I think we've made a beautiful film, and I don't think we need to sell the film. I think we just made a beautiful film, and I think people have already sensed that.
Right. So don't go and watch it.
No, I'm not saying don't go and watch it now. Come on. They will.
Yes.
It's about love and relationships, and everyone will relate to it at some point in their life.
Excellent. Nice talking to you.